Lash reveal, lash reveal. This is special tape that is meant for use on your eyes. It is clear. It has little holes so your skin can breathe, and you literally rip this tape like this. You're gonna close your eye. You're gonna take your strip of tape horizontally. You're gonna get it really close to the base of your eyelid where your lashes grow out. Tape the bottom part of the tape down, only touching your skin. It's not touching your eyelashes. So you're gonna lift this up and you're gonna tape it right to your eyebrow and give it a little smooth over, and you're gonna reptile blink. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bond and seal. And we're gonna take this bond and we're gonna apply it all over our natural lashes from root to tip. Once that glue is all over your lashes, you're gonna let it sit for maybe 30-40 seconds. It'll start to dry down. It'll get a little tacky, and that's gonna make it stickier. Actually, it's gonna make the process easier. Reptile blink, what I need you to do is take your applicator, dip your applicator into a cup of water every single time you go to pick up a lash. This is going to help prevent the lash from trying to dangle on your applicator when you're trying to put the lash on your eye. When you go to take your lash out of the box, I don't want you to make the mistake of grabbing the lash from the tip. You can actually accidentally rip your lash in half by doing that. So what you really need to do is grab it from the base down here where it's stronger. I'm gonna go to a size 14 and I'm just gonna grab one from the base. Once you pick your lash up from the base, you can transfer it over into your other hand, and you can come back around with your tweezer and you can grab it from the tip now, and you can apply it holding it by the tip. So when you go to apply a lash, guys, you can't just apply them straight up and down. So you will notice that your lashes are actually at an angle. So you have to match the angle of the fake lash with the angle of the natural lash. So what I like to do to make that a lot easier, rather than trying to break my hand this way, I just tilt my head, and then my hand can still kind of stay straight up and down because I'm tilting my head to match the angle. So for the outer corner, I tilt my head this way, and then you'll see as I get towards the inner corner, I start to tilt my head this way, and it makes the angle just way easier. It's going to make sure they don't poke you, because if you put it on at the wrong angle, see how it's going to poke right into that waterline? But if we get the right angle, it's going to be out of the waterline. I'm not going to apply the lash all the way down here because then it's going to look droopy. I'm going to actually skip a couple of lashes on the outer corner, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to plop it down right here. No overlap. Once we get all of our lashes on, we are going to pinch them, and this is going to help integrate everything. I'm going to dip my applicator in water in between each pinch because, like I said, this glue is really good, which means it's really sticky, which means it's really strong. And when you pinch, it will try to stick to your applicator and tug your lashes. So you need to dip your applicator in water in between each pinch. You're going to start pinching on the outer corner, and you're going to pinch at the base, and then you're going to pinch, pinch, pinch. See how it's sticking? Ow! Pinch, pinch, pinch all the way from root to tip. It hurts like a bitch when it sticks. You're going to dip in water, you're going to come in a little bit farther, and you're going to pinch, pinch, pinch. Dip in water again, you're going to come in a little bit farther, and you're going to pinch, pinch, pinch from root to tip. Then dip your applicator in water again, and you're going to come all the way into the inner corner. Pinch, pinch, pinch from root to tip. Now we need to seal our lashes. We're going to go in with the seal side of our bond and seal. This gray glue also comes with a gray seal. We're going to just tap a little bit of this at the base. Don't do too much. So follow the same exact pinching routine with the dip between each pinch. You're going to dip your Q-tip into a cup of water so it's no longer fuzzy, okay? And then you're gonna tap, tap, tap that water line. That's gonna get any residual bond or seal off. Oh, I got a lot of water in my eye. So it doesn't dry down on your water line. Reptile blinks, your eye doesn't dry out. Lash reveal, lash reveal. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.